Welcome to our lesson on utilizing Kanban boards. Today, we will explore how this tool enhances workflow and improves team collaboration in Agile Project Management. A Kanban board is a visual tool for managing tasks. It consists of columns and cards that represent different stages of your workflow, making it easy to track progress. Using Kanban boards offers numerous benefits. They increase visibility of tasks and enhance flexibility, allowing teams to adapt quickly to changes in priorities. To set up your Kanban board, start by defining your workflow stages. Then, create task cards that represent each specific task to be completed. This quote by David Anderson encapsulates the essence of Kanban. Visualizing work and limiting work in progress are crucial for optimizing efficiency. Incorporate your Kanban board into daily stand-ups to enhance team collaboration. Assigning task ownership encourages accountability and keeps everyone informed about progress. To maximize the effectiveness of your Kanban board, limit work in progress to prevent overload. Regularly review and adapt the board based on team feedback and project needs. Choose the right tools for your Kanban boards. Digital tools like Trello or Jira offer flexibility, while physical boards with sticky notes can enhance team engagement. Common challenges include resistance to change and overcomplicating the board. Addressing concerns through training can help, and simplicity is key to avoiding confusion. The Agile Alliance emphasizes that the goal of Kanban is to improve flow and reduce cycle time. Keep this in mind as you implement Kanban practices. In conclusion, utilizing Kanban boards can significantly enhance your Agile project management. Remember the key concepts we discussed today as you implement these practices in your projects. Thank you for joining this lesson. Be sure to explore more about Agile methodologies and how to apply them effectively in your projects.